Wednesday, June 21st. The persistence of global inflation and its impact on debt management. In the current economic landscape, inflation continues to be a persistent issue across the globe, with central banks in affluent nations struggling to bring it under control. Despite a year of rapid rate hikes aimed at curbing inflation, the phenomenon remains stubbornly high, with inflation rates still hovering above 5% in the U.S. and Europe. Two key factors contribute to this persistence. Firstly, the global transmission of increased interest rates has yet to bear fruit. The accumulated savings during the pandemic, coupled with post-pandemic economic growth, especially from China, have kept inflationary pressures intact. This suggests that either inflation is lagging in its decline or more rate hikes are necessary to contain it. Secondly, a prolonged period of high inflation has led to increased inflationary expectations among consumers and other economic participants. This change in behavior could mean that central banks may need to increase interest rates to painful levels to readjust these expectations. In the U.S., the phenomenon of revenge spending following the pandemic lockdowns has also contributed to price hikes. However, economists predict a shift back to normal spending habits this summer, which could help ease inflation. In Argentina, inflation has reached a staggering 100%, leading to a surprising side effect, a flourishing dining scene in Buenos Aires, as residents rush to spend pesos before they lose more value. This is a stark example of how high inflation can drastically alter consumer behavior. In Germany, the perceived inflation rate is particularly high, with consumers feeling an inflation rate of 18%, significantly higher than the actual rate. This discrepancy between perceived and actual inflation can also influence consumer behavior and spending habits. In these challenging times, it's crucial for individuals and businesses to understand the impact of inflation on their financial health. High inflation can increase the cost of living and make debt management more challenging. I am Omar Zambrano, a Southern California bankruptcy attorney specializing in debt elimination through Chapter 7 bankruptcy. My firm, the Law Offices of Omar Zambrano, is dedicated to helping those affected by these economic challenges find a path to financial stability. If you're struggling with debt and the effects of inflation, contact the Law Offices of Omar Zambrano at 626-338-5505 to schedule a free consultation. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of Chapter 7 bankruptcy and guide you towards a more secure financial future.